Okay, so welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to go through more of what we mean by percentages and how we can use percentages to represent fraction decimals. So any portion or a number can be represented as a fraction, a decimal, or a percentage. Okay, so if I take something like this and I shade in those three blocks, and when I say, okay, what fraction of the rectangle is shaded? Okay, or what part of 12 is 3, in other words? So the first, we can write this as a ratio, right? I can write this as a ratio of, just like we did before, part of a whole, right? What part of the whole is shaded? Well, there's how many pieces? Well, there's 12 equal pieces, so I know I'm having, so these are divided into twelfths, right? So there's 3 out of 12, right? So I can write 3 out of 12 squares are shaded, okay? Now, this is obviously reducible, right? We can write this in lowest terms, which is 1/4. Now, we can change this to a decimal. Now, either we know what 1/4 is, right? 1/4 is 0.25. But if you don't know, then we know from earlier videos that we can divide this, right? This means division, 1 divided by 4. So if I just do the division, 1 divided by 4, well, there's my decimal point, right? And then I add a 0 because 4 doesn't go into 1, but it will go into 10 2 times. And then 4 times 2 is 8. And if I subtract, I get 2, and then I drop down another 0, and I get 5, and 4 times 5 is 20, and I'm done. Okay? But this is one of those common fractions you should know. So now, how do I write it as a percent? Well, I can change this to a fraction. Remember, a percent is out of 100, so it's where the denominator is 100. Well, I can write this as a fraction, right? Because this means 25 hundredths, right? The 5 is in the hundredths. So this is 25 hundredths. So this is equal to 25 over 100, which equals 25%. So, what portion of the rectangle is shaded? Well, we can write it as 3/12 or 1/4 or 0.25 or 25% of the rectangle is shaded. Okay? Now another thing to do is, hey, 1/4, right? So I can say, here's another way to do it. I can start here, right? I could have gone from here to here because what do I have to multiply 4 by to get 100, right? Because that's the goal. Well, 4 times 25 will give me 100. Well, if I multiply the bottom by 25, I have to multiply the top by 25, and so I get the same answer, 25 over 100, which gives me 25%. Okay? Okay, have a great day.